Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Diego Fernando Restrepo Yepes. I am studying industrial engineering. I am going to talk about Airbnb. It's a company that offers a digital platform dedicated to the offer accommodation to the individual and tourist vacation rental through hosts can advertise and heard the rental to the party with the girls. Guess. Airbnb case Ishikawa diagram. The main problem is legal impediments that often the application of the collaborative economy based on emission. Demand, slow growth of business relationship, suitcase, low trust planes in the gas, excess clauses in the contractor, presence of the landlord in the property during a rental period. Service. In some countries, short rent apartment can only be rent for 118 days a year. High risk of facing legal problems to the partial non-compliance with the law's approval in the apartment rental service. In some countries, rental of apartment to tourists was completely prohibited. Measurement is a country is on legislation is regarding to leading taxes. Disadvantage is long-term rental compared to short-term. Thus, evaluation and regulation impacts on others. Increasing number of regulation imposed on short-term in rental around the world. Method. The digital economy is a legal backup. The user must accept the terms and conditions in addition to complying with current regulation. There are no protection policies to protect the user. Should cause there is no insurance policy formalization. Thank you. Bye bye.